After months in lockdown and bad news, Salman Khan aa rahe hain to change the nation's mood. According to reports, the actor will resume his role as host of a popular reality show in October.
Hello, namaste, assalamu alaikum, sat sri akal, kem cho?
Where the contestants remain confined in a home for over 2 months. The previous seasons of this popular format have also been very successful, with the celebrities often getting into dramatic shouting matches and fights after being forced to stay together for weeks on end without any access to the outside world.
सवाल पूछिए, डांट रही है मैडम.
Sorry.
Season 13 also saw fireworks and tears aplenty before a TV actor was declared the winner. Guys, what's common between going out and watching a movie, going to a restaurant and having a meal, going to a mall and shopping? Well, these are the things that we could do before lockdown began. But in the 14th season of a show that's hosted by Salman Khan, the contestants will get an enviable taste of life as we knew it before lockdown began, while being confined in a house and being watched by millions of people all over the world. Like, you want to know what I'm talking about? Take a look. Salman, who has been hosting this show for almost a decade now, is also a huge factor in its popularity, and the way he deals with the contestants and their frequent tantrums and infighting contributes a great deal to its entertainment quotient.
So it gives me great pleasure, in guiding them in the right direction. Sometimes people go overboard. I said, क्या मैं इनका father हूँ, मैं इनका brother हूँ, मैं क्यों बोलूँ? But then एक दायरा होता है, because you cross that limit, it doesn't be entertainment anymore.
The show is now set to be back for a 14th season, but this time there is reported to be a twist in the tale given the ongoing pandemic and lockdown, which has completely changed life as we knew it.
मैं जितनी भी जो मेरे फादर की लाइफ की एक्सपीरियंस है, मेरी लाइफ की एक्सपीरियंस है, भाइयों की, दोस्तों की जो भी लाइफ में देखा है अप्स एंड डाउन, वो मैं अगर इनके साथ शेयर कर सकता हूँ, then why not?
In one of the promos, there are visuals from Salman's time in the farm where he is seen working hard in the fields, and in the other, he is seen in an empty movie theater munching on popcorn. Salman reveals in the promo that the show will be a response to 2020, which has been a difficult year for many, and teases that things are all set to get interesting.
डेट क्या है? कब से स्टार्ट हो रहा है? वाह, फॉलो करती हो आप?
As per reports, contestants this season will get a chance to enjoy all the experiences that we did quite regularly before the lockdown. Whether it's shopping at a mall, eating at a restaurant, going to a spa, or watching a movie in a theater, we hear that all these experiences will be replicated on set as part of the show. A source has shared with a news publication that the makers have planned to construct a mall, mini theater, spa, and a restaurant as part of the large house-like set where the contestants usually spend about 80 days. Since viewers of the show can't still enjoy these experiences given the ongoing lockdown, seeing these activities on screen will make the show interesting. Well, with Salman on board, one can safely assume that this show will be a total entertainer and a chance to get a glimpse of life as we knew it. Well, we call that a winning idea.